Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, the Canon imagePROGRAF TM-336-inch 5-color inkjet printer plotter. This powerhouse of a printer is not just any ordinary printer. It's a game changer for anyone looking to produce high-quality, large-format prints with ease. Imagine being able to print out your designs, plans, or artwork in stunning detail and vibrant colors, all from the comfort of your own office or studio. The possibilities are endless, and I'm excited to dive in and show you just what this incredible machine can do. One of the standout features of the Canon imagePROGRAF TM-300 is its Wi-Fi compatibility. No longer are you tethered to your printer via a cumbersome cable. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can print from anywhere in your office or studio using your smartphone, tablet, or computer. This level of freedom and flexibility is a total paradigm shift, allowing you to work more efficiently and effectively. Imagine being able to send a print job to your printer from the other side of the room, or even from a different floor, and having it ready and waiting for you when you arrive. It's a small thing, but it makes a huge difference in your workflow, and it's just one of the many ways that the Canon imagePROGRAF TM-300 is designed to make your life easier. Another key benefit of the Canon imagePROGRAF TM-300 is its surprisingly small footprint. Despite its ability to print large-format documents, this printer is remarkably compact, making it perfect for small offices, studios, or even home offices. No longer do you need a dedicated print room or a huge amount of space to accommodate a large-format printer. The Canon imagePROGRAF TM-300 is designed to fit seamlessly into your existing workflow, without taking up too much valuable real estate. This is especially important for freelancers, small business owners, or anyone who works from home, where space is often at a premium. With the Canon imagePROGRAF TM-300, you can have a professional-grade printer that doesn't break the bank or take over your entire office. Now, let's talk about the print quality, which is truly exceptional. The Canon imagePROGRAF TM-300 uses LUCIA TD pigment inks, which provide vibrant, long-lasting colors that are resistant to fading and bleeding. Whether you're printing out architectural plans, artwork, or marketing materials, the results are always stunning. The level of detail and precision is unparalleled, with crisp lines, smooth curves, and rich, vivid colors that seem to jump off the page. And with Canon's legendary print quality, you can trust that your prints will look amazing every time, without fail. Whether you're a professional designer, artist, or engineer, or just someone who wants to produce high-quality prints for personal projects, the Canon imagePROGRAF TM-300 is the perfect tool for the job. But what really sets the Canon imagePROGRAF TM-300 apart is its ability to deliver exceptional print quality, consistently and reliably. With Canon's advanced print technology, you can trust that your prints will always look their best, with precise lines, vibrant colors, and a level of detail that's hard to match. Whether you're printing out complex technical documents, stunning photographs, or intricate artwork, the Canon imagePROGRAF TM-300 is up to the task. And with its robust construction and reliable performance, you can count on it to keep producing amazing prints, day in and day out. In conclusion, the Canon imagePROGRAF TM-336-inch 5-color inkjet printer plotter is an incredible piece of technology that's sure to revolutionize the way you work. With its Wi-Fi compatibility, small footprint, LUCIA TD pigment inks, and exceptional Canon print quality, it's the perfect tool for anyone looking to produce high-quality, large-format prints with ease. So why wait? Find the link in the description below to learn more about the Canon imagePROGRAF TM-300 and discover how it can help you take your work to the next level. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. This printer has the potential to transform your workflow, unlock new creative possibilities, and take your business or personal projects to new heights. So don't miss out. Get ready to experience the power and precision of the Canon imagePROGRAF TM-300 for yourself.